Bristol, Connecticut. On October 12, 2022, around 7:30 p.m., 35-year-old Nicholas Brutcher and his brother, Nathan Brutcher, left their parents' house and went to Bleachers Bar located at 300 Middle Street, Bristol. Both had been drinking before they went to the bar. That night, the bar had an open mic forum, and Nicholas Brutcher planned to perform some stand-up comedy. While sitting at the bar, Nicholas Brutcher got into an argument with another patron. The altercation began when the other patron put his arm around Brutcher, who reacted by pushing the man away. The argument then spilled outside into the parking lot, prompting a call to the police. When officers arrived, witnesses pointed out that the Brutcher brothers were driving away.
Here's the fight dispersed. Went on a white truck. It'll be Connecticut combination Charlie 175084. It's a white work body truck. The Bayberry at Surrey Drive.
At around 8:52 p.m., Officer Harrison Pollock responded to Bleachers, and upon arrival, bystanders directed his attention to a white pickup truck leaving the parking lot. Officer Pollock pulled over the Brutcher brothers' truck as they were leaving.
Busted. Hang tight in the truck.
No, I'm going to talk to the cop, my brother.
No, what is this guy?
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
Sit back in the truck.
I'm going to talk with my brother and yourself.
You're not listening, and you're making the situation much worse. You can stand right here. You're going to stay right here. If you move, you are going to be placed under arrest for interfering with an investigation, okay? Stay right here.
100%.
No, he's fine.
Chill out, Nick.
They let fucking 5'7" motherfuckers be cops. Mr. McKenzie, K9 unit.
They let large pieces of... What do you do?
Don't worry about what the fuck I do.
Liner filler.
I make a fuck ton more money than you do, baby
you do.
boy.
Look at you, fucking mess.
Yeah, okay.
People are proud of you.
Yeah.
Proud of you.
No, my parents definitely are.
Gotta get your little baby brother all jammed up, driving without a license.
He is jammed up. What's his problem?
No, I said you got him all jammed up, coming to get you.
I don't got him.
He's
jammed. Is he jammed up? Are you're telling me that he's jammed up?
No, he's jammed up. Yo.
Jammed up? Okay. Then that's his shit.
But you did it to him.
Okay, I'll fucking walk home, dude.
How does that help him?
It's not gonna make your short ass dick any longer, bro.
Why are you talking about my dick, bro?
Dude, because you are nothing.
You are nothing. You're enough. I vape.
Can I tell him we're good?
Yeah, tell me you're good in the truck.
Nick, everything's fucking great.
With the truck.
Yeah, it's getting towed.
I'm obviously not driving.
You're great.
Yeah, I'm sober.
Yeah, because I got a job that makes money, not a fucking Bristol police officer. Go fucking lick your dog. Go lick your dog's fucking.
Get back in. Nick, no. Yeah, see him alone.
Get back in your truck.
See? Yo, look what you did. That's
He's like a ninja.
He is. Nick,
He's
sit in
like a
the
ninja.
truck.
Nah, fuck you, dude.
Passenger seat.
Dude.
Your passenger
Bro, I love
seat.
this. You're a good guy, dude.
I'm sorry. I did have a good night. Yo, I really want to hurt you right now. So back
Yeah,
up.
man.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Tell him to get in the passenger seat.
buddy.
Tell him to get in the passenger seat, please.
Like I won't.
He doesn't
see
listen
you
to
from
me.
800 yards.
800 yards.
Stop.
Yeah.
Passenger seat. Please.
No, we're not going anywhere.
Let's wait in our car.
They are lying.
So we can't sit right here?
We are not going anywhere.
Can we sit in the truck?
Sit in the
The
truck.
car is going to get
No
towed.
shit. But let's
And we are
sit.
going to walk away.
Can we sit in it?
No, I'm not
Hey,
sitting.
Nick, he said we could.
Then you.
That's fucked. Because I get ruined out of this shit. He's
You're not getting ruined, Nathan.
because of
Nobody's
me.
gonna do anything.
Like, I wouldn't pick them
Dude,
up. Nick, look at how many
there's not
fucking
enough.
posts you got
Not
here.
enough of them here.
And chill the fuck out.
Sit
Knock me
in
out.
the car.
Look at, he knocked me out once. Let's see you do it again. Right now. Nick, if you want to get to the cops, you gotta hit me one more fucking time.
Leave me alone. I'm
No,
not assaulting
get in
you
the
front of
car.
police. No.
Get in the vehicle.
Absolutely
Nick, can you put him in
not.
cuffs?
No, you can't put me in
Set
cuffs.
him right here.
I've done
until
nothing
the
to be
tow
put in
truck
cuffs.
Oh my lord.
Stay back.
No, I know what's going on. Nick, back seat. Back seat.
You're a man too, right?
I gotta take it. Nick, this is it. This is it. They're towing your truck. They're towing.
Go with your
They're
mother.
towing your truck. We're
Go with
good.
your
We're
mother.
good.
I need to walk
Nick,
home no matter what.
no. Nick, you don't need to go in cuffs.
We're not gonna let you walk home.
You don't need to go in cuffs.
Please.
Please.
I'd rather
Nick,
Nick,
Nick, this
Mom,
is their
get in
name.
the truck. Let's leave him alone. Let him make his decision like a
He's a tow truck driver, bro. Relax.
Make the decision like
Shut your fucking mouth.
I don't give a fuck. You think I have to deal with this?
Get in your car. Now. Get in the fucking car, mother. Listen, I love you.
Nathan Brutcher was driving, and both men were highly agitated, making rude remarks to the officers on scene. Since Nathan Brutcher was driving with a suspended license, the truck was towed. Both men became irate during the stop, yelling and cursing at the officers to the point where they were ticketed for creating a public disturbance.
Mother, I love you. Adios. I'm walking home.
Where do you live?
Don't worry about where I live. It's not, that's
Not in this neighborhood, I'm not letting you walk home. I'm not letting you walk down the street hit by a car and be on me.
There is sidewalks from here to my home, so go fuck
I take
yourself.
this one home. I will be right back for this one.
No! No! He's going to jail! Get in the fucking car, Nick!
They don't have enough people here to take me to jail. I'm gonna walk home.
You still gotta finish getting your paperwork together.
Yeah, so, no shit. Do you mind me?
I'm not, I mean, you own it. Like you pay taxes, right?
Bro, I'm not. I never said tax shit.
Saying. Something like that. You really want to sit?
Yeah, no, it is more mine than yours. You're right.
100%.
Einhorn is Finkel. Finkel is Einhorn.
Great movie.
Place is out.
How much?
$103.
For what?
Creating a public disturbance.
What? Like fucking disturbing.
You got people come out of the house. Not us littering.
Let's create a fucking real public disturbance.
Okay. You're all set. You're free to go.
Pick up your ticket, you can go.
Can we create a real fucking public
No,
disturbance?
it's alright. If you want to leave it there, it's fine.
She's never had a fucking black eye.
That's fine.
You can pay it or plead not guilty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Of course.
All right. Have a good night.
You guys are such fucking
The Brutcher's mother was asked to come pick them up. After being picked up by his mother and returning home from the traffic stop, Nicholas Brutcher immediately began preparing his weapons.
Bristol 911, what's the address of the emergency?
It is 310 Redstone Hill Road. Your officers had an altercation with a man earlier tonight. And I don't know if he's good.
Yeah, I did. Okay, what's the emergency at 310 Redstone Hill Road?
I don't know. It's just not. It's not good.
Okay. What's your name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas, what's your last name?
It's Brutcher.
Okay. You called 911. What's the emergency at 310 Redstone Hill Road?
I don't know if it's necessarily an emergency, but it really does.
Okay. We did shift change. I have no idea what you're talking about. You called 911. What is the emergency?
Yes, sir.
At 10:32 p.m., he placed a call to 911 to lure officers to his home. Sergeant Dustin DeMont, Officer Alex Hamzy, and Officer Alec Hayrato responded. Upon arrival, they approached the side door of the residence and observed Nathan Brutcher inside. At that time, from a concealed position on the neighboring property, Nicholas Brutcher fired upon the three officers multiple times, initially using an AR-15 style rifle and later a handgun. Police said Nicholas fired well over 80 rounds attacking officers from behind, which fatally shot DeMont and Hamzy and wounded Hayrato. Nicholas Brutcher's parents, who had come outside into the rear yard of their home, witnessed what happened next. Nicholas Brutcher fired multiple shots at both officers, which fatally shot DeMont and Hamzy. Nicholas Brutcher's AR-15 stopped firing due to a magazine issue, and he switched to a handgun and continued firing. During this time, he yelled, "How proud are you of me? How proud?" Although wounded in the upper leg area, Officer Hayrato was able to move around the back of the house and ultimately to the location of the Bristol police cruisers parked on Redstone Hill Road. From that position, Officer Hayrato fired one shot, striking Nicholas Brutcher and ending the threat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of current events and legal issues. Stay informed and stay safe.